Hi guys, I'm Aditi
I'm Shubhra.
and today we are going to teach you how to do the infinity drapes. And now about the drapes, Shubhra will say some few words about it.
So it's called infinite drape because we don't know where it starts and where it begins with this saree. As you can see, it's multi-body. We are going to start how?
To start with the infinity drapes, we need to pleat the pallu first. So we will do it now. To do the pleats, we will follow the same rule, accordion pleats, in such way. Okay, so after doing the pleating, now you can see to make them stay in place, we pin them, and this should look like in such way. Okay, we have pinned them in both of the places. Now we are gonna tuck it in. Now we'll take the pallu and place it in such way, and it should always touch the floor. Okay, and you will see why. Now we will pleat it just as we do it for the sarees, in the normal sarees. Yeah, in such way we need to do the pleats. But there is a difference between the way we normally drape saree and the infinity drapes. Normally we do the entire part and tuck it here, but for the infinity drape only, we are not going to drape it completely and place it or tuck it here. We will leave in this portion in such way. Now that we are done with the pleats, we are going to pin it and tuck it in. Now that we are done with the front pleats and all, we will start the pallu. We will pin all the pins. Then now we will make small pleats and tuck it in.
It should be really small, as you can see.
Need to do this. Okay, so this is how you can place it if you want it to be. Now that it's done, you can pin. Okay, now that it's pinned, this is how it should look. Now the draping is done. Shubhra is going to quickly exercise herself and show it. Okay, I think she exercised herself pretty well. What else you added? Can you say about it?
Yeah, for this look I've chosen this Afghani jewelry which really matches the border of the saree.
It does. The colors are all same. So beautiful.
Yeah, and this earring, it really matches. It's a matching earring along with this ring.
Last but not the least, thank you so much guys for watching our video. I hope you like it, share it as much as you can, and try and let us know in the comment down below, okay? Thank you, bye bye.